If you live in your van or car, you will know what a hassle it is to find new places to park every night. My hope is that this video can take away some of the fear by giving you some fresh ideas of where you can stealthily and safely park overnight.
On the road to healing, 1 mile at a time.
And welcome back to the van. I'm a registered nurse of 20 years that had to retire early due to my health issues, which led me to van life and realizing that being in the outdoors improved my health. Okay, I'm going to start with my number 15, the one I have not done, but I still think it's a really great idea, are the safe parking programs. A lot of cities, especially in California, are coming up with safe parking programs. And so they have parking lots designated for people to stay overnight because they don't want the homeless and people living out of their vehicles everywhere. So they do have safe parking programs. So you can look for a safe parking program in the city you're in and see if they have one. And that would be a place that you can sleep overnight. Number 14 are programs you can belong to, such as Harvest Hosts, Boondockers Welcome, or Hip Camp. You're going to see footage of me staying at a Harvest Host location. I've also stayed at a Hip Camp, but I've not stayed at Boondockers Welcome yet. Then a separate one is Hip Camp, which I also belong to. You can look up different cities and find out if there's anything available that you can go and park overnight at. I would say one of the membership programs is a great alternative to, or a great place that you can also stay overnight. Number 13, downtown parking areas that have metered parking that expires at night. So from 6 p.m. to like 8 a.m., they would no longer have any metered parking because the businesses are closed. So you're allowed to park there for free during certain hours. So that's a good one also to pick. Find a meter where there's no time allotment. As long as you get out before morning, you can park there. Okay, number 12 is residential street parking. You can go into neighborhoods and park on streets. Like in cul-de-sacs or places not directly in front of somebody's house or those type of areas. Find a place, get there after dark, and leave before right at sunup, and you can sleep in residential streets because they are very safe. Okay, number 11 is apartment buildings visitor parking. So apartment buildings that are only open during the day, they usually have a parking lot where you can visit their office. You can park there at night when there's usually nobody else in the parking lot. Number 10 is places such as strip malls where there's restaurants, grocery stores, different kind of businesses there, such as a Walmart in a mall type setting, because people will not realize which business you belong to. So if you park in between businesses or at the back of the parking lot, many times you can park there. Nobody will even realize what business you're with or if you're even with the business. Sometimes Walmart has parking programs where they let you stay overnight, but they've been steadily getting rid of those in many locations. So you'll have to check, but there are a lot of strip malls around and some of the businesses close. They usually will not bug you if you get there after dark and you leave in the morning before a bunch of customers get there. Number 9 is 24-hour gyms. A lot of times you can get a gym membership and easily park there, do your showering, do your working out. Or even if you do not have a gym membership, you can park there at night. Nobody will even realize if you have a membership or not. So a lot of people park in 24-hour gym parking lots. Just don't park up front where a lot of customers are. Park towards the back and it will be fine. Okay, number 8 is casino parking lots, because if you go in and gamble on a machine for a few minutes or go there and eat something, you get a receipt and then you can park there and nobody will usually bug you. So I would just recommend going in and purchasing something so you have a receipt. Casino parking lots, you will usually not be bugged at all, but it's great to have a receipt in case you are. That brings me to number 7, hotel parking lots. A lot of times there's restaurants there as well, and there's different businesses around. So that's another good one. If you park towards the back or the side of a hotel parking lot, then usually nobody will bug you. I've done this many times and have had no issues. Which brings me to number 6, emergency room parking lots. And the reason why I'm bringing this up, and this has been a good one for me, is because Derek's been in the hospital a lot. So I am parking overnight in the parking lot near the ER of the hospital that he's in, and I have not had an issue. I don't recommend doing this a lot or taking up spaces for patients, obviously, but if it's a big parking lot and there's lots of spots, then that is a good option as well. They usually have security at night so it's very safe. But again, don't take up spots for patients. Okay, number 5 is Cracker Barrel. There are a lot of Cracker Barrels in a lot of cities, and a lot of them have designated RV parking. So they let you stay overnight because they want you to come in and have a meal, which is good thing to do. Don't go there and take up their spots without having a dessert or a meal or something. Get a receipt as well. They have a great gift shop. Shop in the gift shop. Do something, because that's very nice that they allow this in most cities. I mean, they've gotten rid of it in a few cities, and I hope they don't in every city, but it's been a great place to safe park and get a delicious meal and awesome gifts. Number 4 is one of my favorite places, is truck stops. There's a lot of women through the movies and such are scared of truck stops, but actually it's been one of the safest places. I have not run into any issues, and I love Pilot and Flying J. Those are my favorites. If there's a Pilot or a Flying J around, I'll stay over there, and then I'll get my coffee from them in the morning. And if there's a Denny's, I'll eat breakfast there too. So I frequent the businesses that are in the area, such as if I park at a Walmart, I'll go in and buy stuff. I always try to frequent the businesses that allow overnight parking because I think it's a great perk. Number 3 are rest stops. And there's a lot of rest stops on highways in all different states. Every state has different type of rest stops and such, but most allow 8-hour parking. Some may not, so you got to check. But like in California, they allow 8-hour parking. So if you get there, you're allowed 8 hours to stay overnight. They have bathrooms, they have vending machines, they have trash cans. I've stayed in quite a few. So that's an option. A lot of people stay overnight in rest stops if it's allowed in that state, city,
Just say it!
What do you say? Municipality? I can't say that word. Check with the local area. There'll be signs up and you can see if you can stay overnight. Okay, number 2 is one I do frequently as well. It is BLM land. That means Bureau of Land Management. It's owned by the people of the country. And so there is free camping on BLM land. You got to pack it in, pack it out. Don't leave any trash, and usually there'll be no bathrooms or anything on BLM land. It's just for boondocking, but there's a lot of BLM land in certain states that you can park on for free overnight or for weeks, up to 14 days. So BLM land is a great choice.
Wait for it.
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 Wait for it. Wait for it. Keep waiting. Wait for it.
Okay, number 1 is RV parks or campgrounds. I mean, almost every city has RV parks, okay? Yeah, you might have to pay something, and it might be $20 or $30, but you will have hookups and electricity. There will be showers, there'll be bathrooms. So there's perks of RV parks. And then camping, the same thing. A lot of areas allow camping, but you have to pay. And there'll be amenities such as bathrooms, your own fire ring, maybe a picnic table. Anyway, you can always look for campgrounds and RV parks to stay overnight. And a lot of times if you're in a car, you can still get an RV spot. You can charge up all your stuff and put a tent up, and most places will allow it if you have a tent with you. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new or found value in this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. You don't want to miss the video coming up in a few seconds. We'll see you there. Bye.